Bonjour. So, good morning, children. We have already done lesson number 3, vocabulary portion, and the revision of some topics. Okay. So, today we are starting with question answers. Right. So, let's begin. See, the question answers are very easy, children. So, I'll just give you one example of each question, and the rest of the things you have to do it by yourself. Okay. Like number 1, relay effet de fez. Match and make sentences. Okay. Now A and then 1, 2, 3, 4 and then was second, third, fourth. See, these type of sentences you have to make. For example, say the pot fuel. Now सौ, अब जब सौ की बात हो रही है, इट मीन्स आगे जो है वो क्या होगा, प्लूरल. तो प्लूरल में कौन कौन से वर्ड्स हैं? एज यू कैन सी, ल्यूनेट बिकॉज एस है, एंड फ्यूल हियर ऑल्सो. सो दोनों में हम प्लूरल यूज़ कर सकते हैं. एंड यहाँ पे अगर आप देखें कि 2 टाइम्स सो गिवन, 2 टाइम्स दे गिवन. सो फर्स्ट यू कैन फ्रेम सो दे ल्यूनेट. Second, you can phrase saw they fuel. Now again, say, one is given and one yun is given. It means one is masculine, one is feminine. Now you will tell me which one is masculine and which one is feminine here. See, kaye. Kaye is notebook, it's always masculine. So we will use se, ta, kaye. And agrafus is stapler, so it will be se, tune, agrafus. Okay, done? Okay, now moving to the next question. Words puzzle. Melly-mello, the mot trouve les objets de la classe et écrit dans la bonne colonne. Find the objects of the classroom and write in the correct column. Now children, it's very easy. This you can do it by yourself. 3 words you have to find masculine, 3 words you have to find feminine. One word I have found 2 words. One is, if you can see, dictionnaire. It's dictionary. And pubelle. Pubelle is, what is pubelle? Dustbin. So yun pubelle. So this you will come right here. And this one. Now you have to find out other one and just find out the words. Okay. Whether it is masculine or feminine, you can find out from this table. Okay. Fine. Now next one, complete, and complete. Count and complete. What you have to do, it's very nice activity. I liked it. There is a Rubik cube given to you and the colors, cubes or squares you can see here. Now first example given to you, il y a 5 carrés blancs. 5 means 5, carré is a square and blanc is white. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now green color, yellow, blue, orange and red, rouge. You have to find out the number of squares, write down the numbers and then the color name. It's very easy and very interesting. Okay. For example, green, how many green are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. So you will write down 5 carrés verts. Okay, fine. Now fourth question नहीं करना है, cross it. Number 5, complete avec un yun de et des couleurs, ensuite relay avec la image. Complete with un yun de and colors, then match with the image. Okay. Now this question and this question. अब आपको इसमें से देख के यहाँ पे फिलअप करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, से डैश लीव्र डैश. लीव्र, वेयर इज लीव्र? दिस इज अ लीव्र. सो से ता, ओके, लीव्र, विच कलर? वेर. Okay, now ce sont dash crayon dash. Ce sont des crayons verts, but S will come. Okay, for example, like this. Next one, I'm giving one female one, feminine. C'est une règle, and what is the color? Gris. So it will be grease because feminine hai. Okay, like this you have to do. And then what you have to do? Match with the image. So this one you will match with this. This one you will match with this. Okay, this one you will match with this, like this. So write down the numbers. I am actually doing it wrongly. You have to actually write down the numbers. So this will be a, and this will be they, and this will be b. Okay, like this. Now again, question number 6, don't do. Write the numbers written. Okay, I am giving you just numbers. Write down the numbers name here. Okay, this is 16 given. Okay, I am giving you 14. I am writing here 14, 10, 8, 16, 8, 20. Okay, so just write down the number names here. Fine, it's easy. Next question. Met les phrases au plural. Put the sentences in plural. It's very easy. There are some objects given and you have to write down the sentences in plural. Okay, for example, c'est un feutre rose. Okay, c'est un feutre rose, already given. Now what you have to write down? Ce sont des feutres roses. What is feutre, children? Feutre? Feutre is given here. It's a sketch pen. I have already told you. Okay, so c'est un feutre rose. This is a pink sketch pen, and as you can see in this picture, these are pink sketch pens. Okay, so you have to convert each and every word to plural. Say, for example, c'est un gâteau rond. This is a circle or round cake. Now these are, you will write down, ce sont des gâteaux ronds. Okay, easy. So similarly you have to do these. Easy, you can do. But please remember, you have to convert each and every word to plural. And this also, color also. Okay. Okay. Qua phonetic. You have to just pronounce it. Okay. These are the accents, children. This I will tell you later. I will make you understand this later. Just read it with me. Écoute, ou, gâteau, ça, Noël, m'appelle, tile crayon. Okay. Now, écoute, observe, same thing. École, lycée, carré. See, this is called aiguë. When we put this sign towards right and this is towards left. Okay, so this is called aiguë and this is called grave. This we put only on E and this we can put on A, E, U. Okay, so the pronunciation of this sign is A. What we call A, and pronunciation of this sign will be A. Okay, so this is école, lycée, carré. This will be règle, trait, Michael. Okay, understood? Now, similarly, you have to put here. Okay, children, this you just cut it. We will do it later. Okay, when you will come back to school, I'll make you understand this, and then we will solve this. Okay. Now, Croix culturel. Croix culturel is a cultural and civilization portion. Okay, what you have to do, like I have written in the copy as well. So you have to just copy it like this. See, the system of school in France. How? Like we have preschool, then primary, then middle, then secondary, senior secondary, then college, university, like this. Similarly, they also follow one pattern. Okay, in France the school is compulsory from the age of 6 years. Okay, now from 2 years to 6 years, école maternelle, what we call école maternelle. Then 6 to 11 years, école primaire. 11 to 15, college. Then after 15 years they have to give one exam, like the people give examination 10th board exam, okay, to come into the 11th or high school. So similarly यहाँ पे भी इन्हें एग्ज़ाम देना पड़ता है. द वी कॉल इट brevet the college. Okay, brevet the college. Now then students have to appear in exam. After that 15 to 18 years will be lycée, it is high school. Okay, then exam to take admission फॉर फर्दर स्टडीज़. उसके बाद जैसे 12th बोर्ड का एग्ज़ाम देना पड़ता है कॉलेज में एडमिशन के लिए. सिमिलरली दे ऑल्सो अपेयर एंड दैट इज़ नोन एज baccalaureate. Baccalaureate. Okay, now then university, finally they have to go for higher studies. So similarly I have made in a flow chart. In the same manner you also have to copy it. Okay, I'll send this in a WhatsApp group. Okay, after this you have to match these. Okay, like lycée कहाँ है 15 to 18 years, so this will come like this. Okay, école primaire we match like this. Okay, then put the academic establishment in the correct order. It means इन्हीं को आपको करेक्ट ऑर्डर में लिखना है कि पहले क्या है, दूसरे नंबर पे क्या होगा, थर्ड पे एंड फोर्थ पे. ओके, एंड द लास्ट चिल्ड्रन, coin artistic. And what is coin? Coin is cultural corner. This is known as corner and this is cultural. So cultural corner. Now this is artistic corner. What you have to do, prepare un petit dictionnaire illustré avec des objets de la classe. Make a small picture dictionary with the objects of the classroom. This is your holiday homework. Okay, so ये आपको होमवर्क करना है. एक छोटी सी डिक्शनरी बनाएंगे, पिक्चर भी बनाएंगे एंड देन यू विल राइट डाउन इन फ्रेंच एंड इंग्लिश बोथ. ओके, सो दिस विल बी योर homework. Now children, after this we will come to your workbook. See, as you have done, I'll just explain you very quickly. Complete the sentences. Same thing, you have to find out the indefinite articles. Okay, ये आप खुद से करेंगे. Now dans le cartable, qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le cartable de Sylvie? Écrivez what is there in Sylvie's school bag, write it. See, school bag में बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. For example, this is a pencil box, one apple, then lunette. I think this is wallet. Yeah, wallet. Then books and notebooks. So you have to write down dans la cartable de Sylvie il y a des cahiers, des livres, une pomme. Okay, then what we call lunette, des lunettes. Okay, and what is this pencil box and what we call wallet? We have done this. If you will get confused, then please again refer this. I'll show you this one. Okay, यहाँ देखिए सब कुछ लिखा हुआ है. अगर कहीं पे भी कुछ गड़बड़ है, नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, so you can find out the word from here. Okay, what was that? Let me check. Where is this? Okay, spectacles. Okay, lunette. Spectacles is lunette. Then pencil box is trousse, une trousse. And what is wallet? Portefeuille. Okay, portefeuille. 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 Et une trousse. Okay children, so similarly you have to write down. Next one, read the sentences. Wait. Okay. Identify the image. You complete the sentences. You have to identify the images and then write. It's easy. One example has given to you. Okay, this you will just leave it. Question number 4 we are not doing. Now complete. Again you have to look at the things. आपको shapes लिखने हैं यहाँ पे, and according to the noun if masculine is there then choose the masculine shape, feminine is there then choose the feminine. If there is a plural like this then you will find out the plural one. Okay, but masculine plural and feminine plural, please be very careful. Okay, then circle the words in plural. What all the words are here in circle? Journaux, stylo, fille, poem. That's it. Okay, lunette. Fine. Now choose 3 plural words and make sentences. You have to choose any 3. Choose this: feel, stylo, poem. Easy one. And then frame the sentences. Okay, easy. Next one. Lis les phrases, complete le tableau, read the sentences and complete the table. Entrez, ouvrez votre livre, ये हम सब कर चुके हैं. ओके, अब इसमें आपको चूज़ करना है कि what all the phrases which can be used by a professor and which can be used by a student. So répétez s'il vous plaît, repeat please. इसमें आएगा I think student will write this. Okay, now entrez, enter, please enter. This is a phrase of a professor, so you have to find out the professor and then write down. Next is very important: color the image and find the objects. Okay, you see very small images having livre and sketch pens or pencils. A table is there. Okay, then I think one bag is also there. Yes. Okay, so just answer it, color it. Okay, and then name. 9th question नहीं करना है आपको. 10th question, put the missing accents. This also you leave. And last one is name. You have to name the exam diploma français. 2 exams we have done. One is baccalaureate and one is brevet de, what was that? Brevet de collège. Okay, then 11 to 15 years को हम क्या बोलते हैं, and 15 to 18 years के लिए क्या बोलते हैं. This you have to write. It's very easy. Okay, so children, after this we will complete our 3rd chapter. I know there are lots of activities, but please try to do, and अगर किसी में भी difficulty है so then you can free to ask me. Okay, so have fun, enjoy yourself and take care of yourself. We will meet very soon. Till then, bye bye. Au revoir.